Hi, I'm Canadian injury lawyer Brian Hebert. I've handled cases across Canada. In my experience, one thing people may not understand is that if you've been injured, you can still seek compensation even if it was your own fault. In an auto accident case, for example, your car insurance policy has no fault coverage. In Nova Scotia and other Atlantic Canadian provinces, this coverage is referred to as Section B coverage because they are found in Section B of your auto insurance policy. Under Section B coverage, you're entitled to reimbursement for medical expenses, and in Nova Scotia this means up to $50,000. As well, you're entitled to weekly income replacement benefits. Again, in Nova Scotia, 80% of your weekly income up to $250 per week. You are entitled to these benefits even if the accident is totally your fault. Section B, however, does not provide compensation for pain or suffering. Now, in addition to no-fault insurance coverage, you may also have a claim against others who are responsible for your injuries, even if you too are partly to blame. Across Canada, injury law is governed by one simple principle. Anyone who causes preventable injury to another must compensate the injured person to the extent that they are responsible. Under our law, blame for injuries can be divided between two or more people. This is called contributory negligence. This means that even if you are 90% responsible for your own injuries, you can still claim 10% of your losses from the other person who was at fault. Shared blame can arise in a number of ways. In an auto accident case, for example, other drivers may be partially at fault. The mechanic that repaired your brakes, the company that made your car, the engineer, or the province or city that designed or is responsible for clearing the roads. They may all be partially at fault for your accident. So don't let the fact that you've messed up stop you from pursuing a claim for your own injuries. Remember that your own insurance policy provides some limited coverage, and if you think that someone else may be at fault, give us a call at 1-902-423-2050 or 1-877-423-2050 or visit us online at www.mckeeganhebert.com and see how we can help you receive the compensation you deserve, even if you're partially to blame.